Asinibingelele babukeli namhlanje nehlelweni ihlelo Young Climber. Young Climber kembukeli njengaloku yakhathalela futhi sibonile ukuthi abantu abashaka abaningi they are into arts. Ngiloyo sokucala ingoma yakhe, ngiloyo so poet, ngiloyo so njanjanyana. A lot of young people are into a lot of the arts. So sitike asame siyofuna umuntu lo understanda arts. Umuntu loke wawangenele arts akade asichushisa kancane ukuthi mangena dingontini lekumele ngitinake kumele mina ngitiposition kanjani makukhona abantu lengidinga kusebenzisana nabo kufaka ekhathi bo manager nabo bani kumele ngibuke umuntu lo kanjani kumele ngihambe ngibakhanza badzinwephi konke lokho kukhona ke namhlanje nasicele babe lana Phindo Kuhle wakasithole lo hambile wasebenta kakhulu nelijale silatile sike sabanayo nalahlelweni lelishati imfijoli lelo loku labathi uyitrumpet kumbe kona lokho nje labaye bakubambelana ukhona ke namhlanje nakuthi abasikhulumisa ukuthi uye asite ngani umuntu lofana na manager ukuthi mawumuntu lomusha unelitalenta ufuna kulimekisa phambili. Hlala kanye nathi ke mbukeli sakhulumisana naye babe lana wakaPhindo Kuhle wakasithole. Bakasithole umuntu mhlawumbe akabonga ukuthi ubekanye nathi ehlelweni mhlawumbe ke phinze nje usichache kancane masithi siyakufuna sifuna kukuqwenga lokuthi ungakuphi lo munye usitshela ngemusic lo munye usitshela ngani mhlawumbe umuntu makangathi nje asebabe sithole asiqhaqhe ngaye ukuthi yena umqoka ngakuphi noma ke umningi ngakho wendani nje abantu labashaye kakhulu ubabambisa ngadiphi inhlangothi.
Okay, no siyabonga kakhulu. Normally people say kunabantu laba ama jack of all trades but master of none. In my case I'd say it's very special because of the grace of God. Most of the things linked etsenzako diyaye diphumelele. So but uNkulunkulu I'd say for many of my years growing up unginike igrace kakhulu on the music department.
Okay.
So I've been doing music so long atalwa because one of the stories batal bami lebangitshela sona ukuthi I took a long time kusukuma ngihambe but the first time I heard ukhala umsimvo wemqulu ngasingave ngasukuma ngahamba angakhasi ngende ngave ngasukuma ngahamba. So from there I've spent I'd say 90% of my life on stage, music, anything related to music. That's me.
Lo bani labaningi mhlambe labasha baye babe nekuthi if you are into the arts then you have no career, if I may. Ungathini wena kulomlo ngathi mina ngidakhula ngihlabele ndakhula mina ngibe ngumaskandi ungathini when it comes to issues of career and the career goals?
Well, as far as career is concerned, and I would say it's very important to be smart with your decision. First of all, a young person must be able to look at the country we're in, first of all. We let them arts disavuka. So disengabi very stable. But anything is possible because with passion and determination you are able to do what you want to do. With the likes of Bo Bolocha, Bo Velemseni, Bo Sansi Sumatsebula, who've made a really good career out of it. So it's really based on how much commitment you have, how much passion you have, and dedication, because it's not something overnight, unfortunately. What we see Kubo TV is a result of iminyaka lemineng lomda investor a practice angalali and my proposals kuthi ngimhlabeleli ngendanaku lomnye bamjikise bathi ayikho lento yakho 2 years down the line he's the most sought after artist. So I think with the ingredients of determination, passion and dedication, one can be able to make a sustainable career out of it. But again ngisho ukuthi it's very important to have a plan B. Umkhuhlane esibhekane nawo nje kulamalanga COVID-19 isikhombisile ukuthi a plan B is very important. Firstly, mawusikhathi sakho to make money as far as music is concerned, make sure you save. Make sure you invest where you can. Or even have something on the side beside music, just to give you that extra cash, because music, unfortunately, it's seasonal. It depends. Good see wave so as much as you want to make a career out of the music, but have a plan B that will sustain you. If you fire something, many sources of income are very important, because as an artist, you then become a businessman or a businesswoman. So you need to think outside the box. Because yes, I'm doing music, but what else? Maybe in the line of arts can bring some revenue. All that. Then you'll be sustainable. Yeah.
In young people, there is a lot of competition in terms of people competing. Babesithole magenda lihlelo leyoung climber ngeke ambite warawara ngoba hey tawuzeve ngazuthi mawenda angati how can young people approach issue of competition whereby labanye abantu labasha maybe because they're in the same field so babili sibo life coach so ngathatha sanikane imali ngathi sekunokulwa ngathi but sonke sifuna loku grow and develop mangihlabela ingoma yegospel nawe sohlabela ingoma yegospel sengiba ngazi ukuthi sithole utangimisa kabi sekuba nale sengibasitha noma ngeke ngik-announce masidibane estradini my brother but we are now ukuthi ngakhanza sithole angihlali nje 2 minutes. How can young people deal with that issue?
Okay. Ngidawa iqala kanje, in everything maturity is very important. That's what we call healthy competition. Healthy competition, in my definition, is something where probably, as you say, you see someone doing something similar, but instead of wanting to criticize that person, you want to learn, because that person might be doing it better than you. You just try and learn as much as you can so that you also do it better. Ungabe se ubanengqondo kumnyembenya uthi ayisonkopele no akakopele. It's very possible ukuthi nibe na two wema ideas lafanako but executed differently. So now in a space less kanjalo, one would say without maturity, it's very difficult to expand. Fine, you came with the idea first, maybe, then someone else did it. The best way to do it is to find a way to learn, more than criticizing, because unfortunately, competition can easily turn to hatred. What have I done? But because there's an idea, the person is against you, or maybe crowd or and the fortunate part is that the audience, even Larangwan, the audience, you can do the same content, but the audience ngekthi la kuna warawara. Kune audience yawarawara. Ngeke umphazamise kuloko yabo. Then now ufuna understand ukuthi you have your audience, or you need to build your audience. Hayi ngekulwa, but being committed to what you're doing, having the dedication was okay. I saw this big picture, I want to execute it. Sometimes, most of the time, I refuse to be in the forefront because I believe my calling is more on the background. I work better ngale esitheleni. 7 kude mphazamsa ukude ndani iproduct itahamba embili. That's how I choose to work. Because sometimes lo muntu awuthi how lokho sivile kwente nguwe akwasitsheli ngani. No. I've decided not to talk about it. Let me just work and get the thing out there. You'll be fine.
Mhlambe bawesithole kuningi lengafuna ukubuda.
Yes.
Sike saba Sam Mamba Samuel Mamba
Yes.
makakhuluma uthi hey ngaba nenhlanhla ngathola Sithole ngumanager wami ngalesikhathi ungumanager wemuntu wentanji onyabuta manager sona bo manager makwendekani yini manager wemuntu especially in the arts why do ubona kanje na ukuthi sithi sibo motivational kunjanjani ngibona kanje mnenyalo ukuthi ayisengidinga manager nami kumbe ngicongcothe kaSithole nama umanager baba yini manager wendani umuntu lokuma arts ubona ngani sisengiyamdinga kenyalo and all in all.
Yo, that's a big question. Let's sing I say mina, but guess that's we got. Okay. Asengicela ekuthenini umuntu ubona ngani ukuthi udinga manager. Immediately you say you have a product you want to give to the people. For me, you already need a manager. Why? You want someone who will coordinate everything for you so that you just focus on your product.
Okay.
Here's an example. Fagazi, Bamema probably convention center. There's an event. But say, okay, see quotation sitting anako. Umsebenzi wafakazi at the end of the day is to make sure that udlala kahle, is to make sure that music wakhe is perfect. Kuthi isound itanabani band iyendiwa ilitanabani lo hambela imali ama invoices akusemsebenzi wakhe. Because yena priority yakhe is to produce quality music. So already ngale ndlela leyo you now need someone who will run around. For me, a manager is someone who will run around.
Okay.
Especially in the arts industry. Ngeke ukuthi umanager uhlala office. Unfortunately.
Okay.
Well, that's my opinion. You need to go out there, look for the job, ufunele the artist, look for opportunities for the artist, bookings, whatnot. Now, when the brand expands, eventually you need a bigger team, probably someone who will focus on just the PR, the social media. But if it's still manageable, a manager is able to do all that. So now, ubona kutudinga manager, ubona ngekuthi you have something you want to deliver to the people.
Okay.
Whether it's some kind of product, whether you're an artist, whatever kind of artist, you need someone who will manage firstly you and your product.
Okay.
Because mina nje mabashayela Fagazi akhulume ngefika lesetulu. Nyalo bazonda Fagazi. Mhlambe ngithi udulile. But market akim kude lokufika kuFakazi. Bashaya mine balwa nami Fakazi kude kumdistractile ukuthi dawuthi mafika lapha bokeni client eve ngathi hayi ngikhulumise njani. No. Because that might contribute ukuthi yagcina ngaperform kahle. But mabashaya mine konke kwaze kwaconza ngicedzile. Fakazi sengimix report le right, okay, nama terms kanje sicedzile akusenje qiba.
Mbukeli njalo kuyiva indzaba sidayiteka ngoba hleze nawe soyabona ukuthi yathi nami ngiyamdinga ke manager konke ke lokuda ukuva sikhuluma ngako sijula masibuya ekhefini kwanyalo sedawuthi shelele ekhefini. Sikwamukele mbukele ehlelweni ihlelo Young Climber uhlelana naMuzi Wandile kaHlatshwayo ahamba naphindo kuhle bakaSithole. Sithole ke uthi jack of all trades mawuthi ngaspoon ungiso mawuthi ngimfoloko aphenza abe ngiya futhi ke noma sothi ngifork and knife uphinza abe ngofuthi sikhuluma naye ke lana sokukhulumile letinye tingoni ukuthi mawumuntu lomusha noma mhlambe ungena kuma arts uyadinga ukuthi ube nabo plan B lokusho ukuthi ke kuyadinga ucinzetele inkinobho nasesikolweni ukhona bethu khona certificate otitholako ukuthi utawukhona mhlambe noma kuthi ku-seasonal lokwabo ma-arts ukhona kuhluvuka la kamlungu mawufunza ukuthola ama-gig ukhona kuseva imali takho ungabe soyidlisa kwamandongomane lana babe sithola besikhuluma indzaba yebumenjeli ukuthi kunebantu abathi ngabo menjeli nathi nje sesiyabona kaya ngiclimba ngathi sidinga kumanager ngoba bayasibita bafuna sitawukhuluma nabantu labasha emasonveni bathi ufuna imali enzithi hawu thina sakuthiwa ingozi asibhadarisi kanti lo kunamenjeli ngabe uyaqaqabula ngalesikhathi sona menjeli number 1 ufunani umbona ngani umkhanza adzinwephi noma uyakulabo menjeli abavele bakhona ukuthi nje inyalo sitawunqonqotha sibe yi30 la kufaka la kulo khanje kuphindo kuhle ukuthi awuphindo nama ngumenjeli noma mhlambe hayi uyifune 1 2 3 mbozo yokucala wesibili ngibese ngiyithatha le mali ekubhadara ubhadarwa ngibani menjeli ubhadarwa kulabantu mabakhuluma naye athi 10000 kanti so utibalele 9000 wena sotakunika lo 1000 wakho bohlale umcharge mawuhamba ni khutha detector kwendeke njani lapho?
Okay, angicakile ukuthi umthungatha njani. I'd say experience is the best teacher. Now, you want to look for someone who's experienced and has a good reputation.
Okay.
Now, again, it depends on what your product is or what you want to sell to the people, so that you get the relevant person. For example, ngeke ngithole umuntu long manager probably ku law firm ngithi akangi-manager ka-arts. That person has no idea what's happening in the arts industry.
Okay.
So now you need to find a person who's relevant, a person who has the experience, and a person who has the passion of being a manager.
Okay.
Because it's not every day where you smile. Sometimes kufuna nje noma sikwati ukuthi uyathi phinde uhlala smile but ke siyasebenta. Kufuna i-answer iphume. Well, those are some of the things you look for. Now, how do you pay your manager? From a manager's perspective, firstly, before you engage with a client, you look at potential.
Okay.
Kulikhuni kusukela ukuthi ngifuna ku-manager nangumuntu nang wena nje uwedwa ungaboni potential, ungakaboni ema possibilities, maybe dedication kulo muntu ukuthi okay uthi ufuna ku-manager usewendeni iplan yakhe ithini udibona akuphi because as a manager that's what you invest in the whole plan. So now an example nje with Fagazi came to me wangidlalela iplan yakhe uthi wo yathi ngifuna ukuthi lokhu mangicabangela ngibona ukuthi ngathi and he was confident with the plan. So I bought into the vision.
Okay.
Okay, I can invest here. Now, because money does not always come in, but usala ne passion and commitment, you see the bigger picture. So you are deciding to commit no mali isengeko eventually tabakon. Now, as far as the payment part, honesty plays a very big role. Because especially as a manager, most managers are create a reputation legacy because my artist adlelwa imali so that's a very big part of how you grew up, what influences you. But if you have a really clean and solid background, you are able to work as honestly and transparent as you can.
Okay.
So now, yes, I can make agreements. Good, okay. Emalini lengaka percentage yabani ingaka yangaka. So again, it's very important lokthi kugcine kusignwa something phansi.
Okay.
So that noma ngena 1000, so it's like percentage. Kude seklothi hayi sale ngithatha yonke. No, savumelana kuthini. So ngikuxwayisa nje ukuthi before you commit, make sure you've signed somewhere and kunebameli aba involved noma ngabe nibangani noma ngabe ningumndeni kwangena imali sometimes yongena usenkingeni mina ngisenkingeni then decide ukuthi hayi bese ngipinjekile letha yonke le mali no agreement ayisho njalo.
Okay. Mhlambe sekulenza yabo manje nekubhadarana umthini ke lona lo qiligojo qiligojo lo tawuqhamuka athi yena manje yebo phela vele ipercentage yami ngi 20% but ke hansi kunema drum lana kune keyboard kunema mic letinto leti uthi by the time ubona 100 rand lebese simkolekile mengicanga kuna 8 or 20 oh before you know it ngisala nelishumi uhambe naye wonke 99 rand phindo ukuthini lokho ukuthi how do I manage ngoba at the end of the day mina ngiva ngathi ngimpela le product at the end of the day ngimlo lo deliver yebo kona wena coordinate but lo shukela kuleli sweet ngimi bebadla lo shukela lo ngimi wena yebo kona konke how do you manage lokho?
Ngidawuthi inkinga lenkulu yekucala ngilokuthi usatibona ukuthi nguwe lo letha le cream and forget that ngeke sohambe lapho yoma wethu wena lo wendakho you have a team.
Okay.
So now there are before all the agreements the calculations that are done.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Fakazi marketa in a 6-piece band on average lowest paying malini.
Okay.
Yabo. So siya calculate okay nana lekile ifuna iband yonke. Fine. Already logo kwabhalwa phansi kwacetshwa ngako kuthiwa ema percentages athini konke. So makufika imali already we have a template.
Okay.
Let's say nama percentages nama mabi setup kanje nama percentages mabe kanje. Now you calculate every little detail. Uspende petrol kuyo rehearse, uspende petrol kuyolanza abantu, petrol kuyo performer, kudla. Those are expenses which you don't need to neglect. Yabo. Mina ngiyaye ngithi ke indlela ngisebenza ngayo kungcono kulambe wena but team yakho isuthe.
Okay.
Because now you're building trust with the team.
Okay.
That ngelanga linye where there's really nothing. It team I no asikwethwale ngoba simo sinje. Okay. So now you really need to work with people that you can be able to develop trust kibo.
Okay.
So more than ikuthembeka kwa artist kuthembeka na manager. Okay. So at yonke le engine igaye kahle elayinini le transparency and honesty.
Hey bawesithole mhlambe umuntu ase khona vele isikhathi sethu sesiphila.
Yeah.
Siseveni lapho khona abantu bathi kude mathuba. Bese sesiba nemuntu lothi mina mawudzinga sicathulo ngingiso mawudzinga linqapsi futhi ngingilo. Wavula njani emathuba enzaweni lapho khona labaningi babona lugwadule?
That's a very I'd say big one and serious one because we have a lot of young people, even adults, who would tell you that I'm the way I am because now I always say approach is very important. Presentation comes next. Mangfika nje kuwe asadone, but I actually need something from you. How I approach you will determine what you will give me.
Okay.
As simple as that. That's a very simple principle. Now, you are in a space where everyone is complaining, everyone is seeing no light. So now you sit down and see what they're doing wrong. Then capitalize on that.
Okay.
Most people bashaya approach because the opportunity uyitfola ngekuthi approach njani what present njani. Now unfortunately these days we have social media, we have what ma apply nje emsebenzini for example bayibona form lakho babone konke CV yakho babuke ligama baye social media bangakubidi bangadini bathi nje run through timeline yakho. Imagine something as small as that. We believe the timeline yami I write whatever you want, but it has even 80% of closing opportunities for you.
Okay.
Simple thing like that. So now, how you handle yourself, what you say, how you say it, how you present yourself. Konke lokho kusebhodweni linye gives you a way of you being given an opportunity.
Okay.
So for me, it's really that approach, representation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Baba Sithole. Siphelile isikhathi sethu. Angathi amagama akhe egcina kumbukela ekhaya noma mhlambe kakhulu kumuntu lomusha ungathini?
Nothing beats determination, nothing beats passion, and nothing beats a grateful heart.
Awumbukele njalo ukuthi vela nothing beats determination, nothing beats passion, and nothing beats a grateful heart. Usho njalo ke Phindo Kuhle wakasithole siyakholwa ukuthi mbukele khona nawo lokutholile usebukele ihlelo Young Climber akube kuhle kubukela inhlelo ezilandzelako. Ingosi ikubusise. Bye bye.
Ngaphandle ke umuntu nalaye esibhedlela Dimeke yabo lapho latholakala ukuthi uvele ufuna ukhokha consultation fee. So akusho wena ukuthi the consultation fee khona le mali kuphela.